So, for today's video, what I'm gonna do is, for today's video, hi guys, welcome back to my third episode of X Life. So I have just built my big tree house. I'm really excited about it. I looked up Minecraft treehouse and I copied the design, so don't expect it to be that fancy. I'm not that good at building. But this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you in 3, 2, 1. This is my treehouse, guys. I'll show you a better view when I come down. It's not the cutest house that I've ever done, even though I'll link my cute houses that I've built in the description, but it's just going to be a starter base. It's not got that much stuff. So this is it. I think it's quite cute. I really love it. It didn't take me that long to build because it was really quite easy. Oh, I still got it in my inventory. So it's got a little, mine. I always do this. I have a little mine down at the bottom of my base. And then to get up, you have to go through that little fake house. It's supposed to look like my real house, but it's fake. And then I don't know what to do here, but I just think I'm gonna put something there. I'm really not sure. Oh, I can't even find my own door. Okay, I'm coming. Ah! I need to be careful. This house is probably not the best idea on X Life. Goodness. Anyway, so this is like the little farm area. I think it's really cute. I'm really proud of myself, to be honest. And then you come up here, and this is the living area. So I've added some things from the Visco mod. We've got a chest, we've got a bed. And then up here we've got like my chest room. I haven't really decorated this area this much, but it's just like chests, furnaces, that sort of thing. Yeah, we've got a cauldron and a balcony. Got a seat where you can look off into the distance and you can look at all of the stuff. I think I'm going to build something down there that I can look out onto. But yeah, other than that, I do not know what I'm going to do this episode. I think this episode, what I'm going to do is, now that I've got a base, I'm going to get flowers to go decorate it. So I have Lizzie's flower breeding mod on. How did I not die from that? I have Lizzie's flower breeding mod on right now. I'm going to go into there and I'm going to type at Lizzie's, there we go, at Lizzie's flower breeding mod. So how you do it, how you get these custom flowers is you get an empty pollen jar and then you right click a flower and then you get its drops. I think you get a seed if you have 2 pieces of pollen or something. I'm not really sure, but we're just gonna try it out. So before, I'm just gonna collect some flowers. I already have tons of flowers, but I just wanna be sure. What is that? Beaver or something? It's weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab some sunflowers. And then I'm gonna go back to my base. And then I will see you guys once I have got myself some pollen jars and just caught up with what to do. Guys, oh my god. So I was adventuring right? I was adventuring. And I found these flamingos. Oh my god. What do I feed them to make them love me? Seeds? Do I feed them seeds? Birds like seeds, right? I have 1 seed. Will they love me? That is the thing. I love flamingos. They're like my favorite bird ever. Oh, that's a pink one. No, what do you want to eat? They don't want seeds. Oh, I won't be able to take them home. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I just hit one. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Oh, I'm so evil. Why did I do that? I'm so sorry, Pelican. Oh, flamingo, not pelican. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay, let's pose for the thumbnail. Come on, Pelly. Come on, let's pose for the thumbnail, love. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've taken some screenshots. Okay, I think yeah, that's probably the best I'm gonna get. That's the thumbnail for today's videos, guys. That's how I make my thumb. Oh my god, and there's penguins. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put a waypoint for this. Bird place. Okay, I'm gonna go home, grab some lassos, and I'm gonna get 2 birds for the thumbnail. Well, I'm gonna get as many as I can. This is gonna be an epic thumbnail. Ooh, I can just kill them for some more leads. What are you giving me? Not that good, mate. Oh, I forgot that these guys will hit me. They hurt. If I get killed by a llama, Jesus Christ. Oh my god, I almost got killed by a llama. Okay, I just got some water. Where did the other one go? Did it go down into my mine? No. Okay. Oh, you think you're so cool. Hiding up in the tower. Trying to kill me. Why are you not dying? Okay. I'm gonna go to the bird place. I'm gonna get birds. No! I thought they all left. Okay. One bird. 2 penguins. I'm gonna get some flamingos. I'm gonna take an egg, because I think I can hatch some penguins with that egg. Okay. Flamingos! My flamingos. My beautiful babies. Get out of the water, you're gonna get eaten by a shark. Okay, we've got penguins. And we've got flamingos. Okay, let's pose. Thumbnail. Okay, come on guys, I'm trying to pose for the thumbnail. Be a bit cooperative. Penguins, mates, you're letting me down. Okay, I've taken a thumbnail and I am ready to go. Oh my gosh. Okay, we've got these animals. Let's go back to my base. Oh, it's gonna take me forever. Oh, one more. Hello, beautiful girl. Where did your lead go? Yeah, no bird left behind. Come on. Let's go. Let's go to my animal sanctuary. Where's my home? Oh, I wish I had another lead. I would take the turkey. I need to make a lasso, but I don't have enough diamonds or slime. Where is my home? Oh, it's all the way over there. I'm going in the wrong way. I lost my flamingos. Come on. Let's go back and get them. I'm sorry, darlings. Okay. I'm gonna lose all of them, I swear. Okay, I just can't go fast. It'll just take me a bit to get them all to come. Are you all with me? 2 penguins, tons of flamingos. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna... You know what, I can't be bothered. Flamingos, come on, hurry up. I'm gonna have to walk like this the whole way. Wow, flamingos, wow. Okay, I am just gonna cut this. Well, actually, I will time lapse this. Hello people, I'm back. So I just brought my little birdies back from my adventure. I've got two pelicans, I've got two flamingos and two penguins. I lost a flamingo on the way. It was really hard for me. But it was just really hard to deal with it, so I just had to leave her behind because I ran out of leads and it was really sad. Yeah, other than that, I've got my pollen jar and I am ready to pollinate some flowers and get some cute flowers going. So I'm going to set it today with my time wand, which I also made. And yeah, let's get experimenting. So we're going to get that. And can I take anything from the sunflower? No. I can take pollen from the poppy. Okay, rose pollen jar. I'm going to mix that with that. I've got a red clover seed. Don't know what that is. White poppy seed. Ooh. I need to collect some more flowers. These are cute. Ooh, dandelion. Cornflower blue thing. That's cute. I like how all these flowers are just outside my house. So I can just go out into my little flower garden and just pick up what I want. Yeah. I don't know why I'm doing a weird voice for that. Yeah. So I'm kind of losing faith in what to do in these episodes. Like, X Life is fun, but I don't know if it could be that entertaining for you guys. It's fun to play for me. I find it really fun to play, but I'm not sure if it's entertaining. Leave in the comments if you want me to keep doing this series. I don't have to be honest. I love how I think that I'm talking to like a big audience, while I'm pretending when I'm actually talking to like Whoa! Why is that creeper fast? Oh my god! I'm gonna die. Getting chased by a creeper on 1 heart. That's not great. That should be my title. Oh no. I'm gonna be the bird queen. Getting inspo from dear Queen Lauren. I'm gonna be Bird Queen Yaassss. Okay? Bird Queen Yaassss. That's my new name. Bird Queen Yaassss. Yaassss, Bird Queen. Yaassss. Piggies! I'm running out of food. This is a good food source. Poor piggies. I just killed them. But, bye. Yeah, this is just a really fun series for me to film. I don't know if you guys find it entertaining. So just tell me if you don't like it. I don't have to post these sort of videos. But yeah. Okay, so right now I'm going to trial with these. Okay. We've got dandelion, and I'm going to mix dandelion with the poppy. I got a yellow poppy seed. I'm going to get poppy, mix it with the dandelion. I've got a red dandelion seed. I'm going to get cornflower. I'm going to mix it with cornflower, mix it with the rose, and I've got blue poppy. Oh, it's not a poppy, it's a rose. It's a rose. Why does it say rose? It's a poppy. So we've got the pollen, rose pollen, and I'm going to mix that with the cornflower. We've got dianthus, that with that. We've got yellow dianthus, and then that with that. And we've got blue dandelion. Okay, I think we've got all that we can get out of that batch of flowers, I think. that's the only amount of flowers that I need. Yeah, okay, I was just checking how much time I have left until my recording pauses. Oh my god, so many mobs trying to kill me. This is not great. This is not great. Creeper, go away. Oh. Okay, I'm going home. Okay, we're home. Well, actually, I haven't made a waypoint to my new house yet. So I'm gonna go to my new house and I'm gonna set up these seeds in my farm that I've got. And then I will catch you up on what I'm gonna do with those flowers. So I will see you in my next clip. Okay guys, I am back. So right now what I've done is I have collected all the stuff. Oh, I've got 2 yellow dianthuses now. Oh, yellow dianthus seed. I'm gonna pick that up. Yellow dianthus seed. Oh, and then red dandelion seed. Okay, I'm just gonna collect all of this fun stuff. Oh, I'm getting some good stuff from this little run. And then out of all these flowers, I'm just gonna go decorate my base. The outside of my base. It sounds good, but first I gotta go up and make my waypoint to my area. Okay. New house. Okay, this is my new waypoint. I've got my new house. Old home, strip mine. There we go, okay. Ooh, white poppy seeds. I'm gonna put those here. Whoa, going down that fast. Okay, any more seeds? Blue dandelion seeds. Red clover seeds. Yeah, those are the seeds I have. So I'm just gonna run through, pick this up. This is fun. This is fun. I'm just running through collecting everything. Okay, I think I'm gonna have like a patch of clovers. I think that might look cute. Okay. I'm gonna swap out all the stuff in my inventory for flowers. Yeah, and what I'm gonna do with these flowers is I'm gonna go all over my base and I'm gonna decorate. Okay. Let's go down. Did you see that glitch? I was like, ugh. Oh my. I'm so mad. I am so mad. I just died. I just died. That's not good. Okay, I'm gonna go back and get all my stuff. I'm so upset about that. I should have been a lot more careful. Ugh. Now I'm annoyed. Okay, I should get better armor. I shouldn't I? Everybody's probably telling me that in the comments. They're like, hey, you should have got better armor, otherwise you wouldn't have died. Da, 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 da. I'm still acting as if there's lots of you. There's like 2 people watching this. Okay. I'm gonna go around and I'm just gonna boop, 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 boop. Just place flowers down. This down. Dandelions. Red dianthus. Put that down. I'll put some blue poppies. Put some pale bushes down. I like these. Got a lot of these. Oh, guess not. I just ran out. Yay. Okay, I'm basically running out of flowers. I like the poppies. I like the look of them. I think they look cute. I haven't used any clovers yet. Yeah, okay. Marigold. I have a lot of these and I think they are beautiful. And I'm just going to place them everywhere. Because I think these flowers are beautiful. The marigolds. Ooh. My favourite flowers for sure. Oh my gosh, okay. Gotta get my time wand on me. Daytime! Oh my god, I could have just died again! I need to get much better armor! Ah, this is so scary! Killing a spider. Okay, spider dead. I'm happy. I am good. I'm alive. I've just decorated. I've almost died. I've died decorating. I've almost died decorating. Maybe decorating isn't the best thing for me. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't be decorating anymore. No, how could I ever not decorate, Angus? That is so stupid. That is such a silly thing of me to think, isn't it? Isn't it? So crazy. I'm so crazy. Okay. Guys, I think I've done a lot in this video. Make sure to, if you've watched this far into the video, make sure to comment Bird Queen Yaassss, Flamingo Queen Yaassss, Penguin Queen Yaassss. I am the Bird Queen herself in her beautiful form. I am the Bird Queen. Make sure to comment that if you're watching now. If you really enjoy this video, please hit that like button and click the subscribe button and click that notification bell if you want to know when I post more videos like this. I'm trying really hard. This is like the second day of my YouTube channel and I've posted 4 videos already. I'm trying really hard to get my channel out there and just get myself out there and have viewers and subscribers. So if you really do enjoy this video, please share it around with your friends. I don't know, do that sort of thing. And if you're my friends in person, I love you all. Thanks for being my friends. Yeah, so just thanks for subscribing if you have. And if you haven't, please do. Really helps me out, really makes me feel